Before you can use IFT, you have to sign up for IFT. Just open IFTTT.com and then you can select whether you want to sign in with your existing account or sign up for a new account. If you want to sign up, you can use Apple, Google or Facebook, or you can sign up with your individual email address. Once you've signed up, you'll find an empty IFT account. First thing you want to do is to connect your AL-KO Smart Garden service to IFT. Search for AL-KO, go to the tab Services, and the first thing you'll find is AL-KO Smart Garden. Now you have to connect your AL-KO account. For this, click Connect. You'll be redirected to the central AL-KO user login form. Just log in with your AL-KO user that you use also for InTouch or the web shop or other touch points, and you're connected. Now you're ready to activate your first ready-to-use applet. An applet is a smart scenario that you can activate with just a few clicks. We want to activate the scenario Send Robolinho home when it gets dark outside. Just click Connect. Now I just need to add some configuration options. Most importantly, I need to specify an address where this applet shall look for the sunset times. Then I just select the device from my AL-KO device list and click Save. That's it. From now on, whenever it gets dark outside, Robolinho drives home. Maybe these ready-made applets are not enough for you. To create a fully individual scenario, click Explore, click Create Your Own. Now you can select any trigger for your scenario you want from the huge list of IFTTT-compatible services. For now, we just want to select Google Assistant. So here, if I'm not yet connected to the Google Assistant, I need to connect with my Google account. Now I'll select the trigger Say a Simple Phrase, and then I specify the phrase that makes Google Assistant trigger this scenario. Once we click on Create Trigger, we can now select an action to be triggered. I select AL-KO Smart Garden, Send Robolinho home, Create Action, and your individual applet has been created. But of course this also works the other way around when selecting AL-KO as a trigger. Also click this, click AL-KO Smart Garden and select any trigger. I just want to select the trigger Robolinho has lost Wi-Fi connection. Select the Robi, create trigger, and now select any service you want to be triggered. I want to select the service email, send me an email when the Robolinho has lost his Wi-Fi connection. Create action, finish. That's it.